Hello and welcome to the Shilpa Shetty channel, and this is the art of loving food. Breakfast हो या tea time, I love serving this banana walnut bread. आज हम इसे बनाने वाले हैं Nutralite Classic में, which has 0% cholesterol and is enriched with omega-3. So let's start baking. So we're only using a natural sweet substitute, and that is fruit. तो banana का इस्तेमाल करेंगे हम आज. So I've got 2 bananas mashed already. We add it into our bowl. अब इसमें हम ऐड करेंगे हमारा Nutralite. 4 tablespoons of Nutralite. अब हम इसे क्विकली विस्क कर देते हैं. Now we break 1 egg at a time. Now we add half a teaspoon of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla essence. If you have extract, vanilla extract, it always comes out much more flavoursome. So I prefer extract. Now we add in our flour, 2 cups of almond flour, half a cup of walnuts. Our last ingredient, a teaspoon of baking soda. If you want it sweeter, you can add maybe 3 tablespoons of jaggery sugar, but then it'll become like a cake. This is a bread, so I like it like this, and it is going to be quite sweet. So I'm using a silicone mold, लेकिन अगर आपके घर पे aluminium का baking tray है, just add a bit of coconut oil. Just grease the tin. Okay? And now we just take the mixture out. Spread it evenly. So I've already preheated my oven at 180 degrees. Just garnish it with some more walnuts. You can even add raisins on it if you'd like. And just make sure that you take away all the air bubbles by just hitting it down. Voila! So now we just place it in the oven for 45 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Whoa, nice. Always check if it's cooked all the way through. Yeah, it is. Let it cool for around 20 minutes and then you take it out and you can serve it. Yep. Perfect, soft and spongy. It's my favorite tea time snack. High in potassium, bananas and walnuts are a killer combination. And with Nutralite, it becomes tasty bhi, healthy bhi. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Tab tak ke liye, swasth raho, mast raho.